Hello, students. Welcome to MMA 102, the history of graphic design. And for today, we will going to talk about early type design and the Industrial Revolution. So, have you ever stopped to think about the letters you see every day? The signs on the street, the text messages that you read, even the font that you are seeing right now. Typography feels so ordinary that we barely noticed it. But once upon a time, type design wasn't ordinary at all. It was a revolution. Today, let's talk about how early type design collided with one of the most transformative moments in human history, the Industrial Revolution, and how this collision changed communication, design, and the entire visual world we lived in today. Before machines, type was crafted slowly by hand. Think about the monks that is copying books one page at a time. Think about the early printers carving metal letters with extreme precision. Every curve, every serif, every stroke was a decision. Early type designers like Nicholas Jensen created typefaces that were elegant, balanced, even humanistic. These early fonts weren't just functional. They were works of art that mirrored handwriting and the rhythm of human hand. Typography was small, typography was intimate, and typography was precious. But then, everything changed. Factories emerged, machines replaced manual labor, cities exploded with people, noise, movement, and even competition. Suddenly, communication needed to be fast, big, and attention grabbing. Businesses demanded signage that could shout across busy streets. Newspapers needed type that could be printed quickly in massive quantities. Mass production wasn't just convenient, it was necessary, and typography responded. The Industrial Revolution gave birth to something entirely new: display type. It is bold, blocky, loud, and unapologetically massive. Designers created slab serif, which is thick, heavy font that felt industrial, mechanical, and strong. While sans serif is clean, modern font that broke traditional rules and embraced machine age simplicity. Next is the fat faces. Those are the exaggerated thick letters used in posters and advertisements. Why? Because people had less time. More things screamed for attention, and typography had to compete. Type now had two purposes: information and persuasion. It wasn't just letters on a page anymore. It was marketing, branding, and visual impact. The Industrial Revolution didn't only change fonts, it changed the entire printing system. We got the steam powered press, which printed thousands of pages per hour, wood type, in which it allowed huge letter forms for posters and announcement, and inexpensive paper, making mass media accessible to everyone, and mechanical typesetting, in which it sped everything up tremendously. The world didn't just become industrial, it became visually industrial. Typography became a tool for massive communication, fast, loud, and everywhere. You might wonder, why should a multimedia artist care about fonts from 1800s? Because everything you create, every little card, every logo, every UI layout stands on the shoulders of this history. When you choose a bold slab serif, when you pick a clean sans serif, when you design for clarity, hierarchy, or impact, you are using ideas that shaped by designers who lived during a time of rapid technological change. The Industrial Revolution wasn't just about machine. It was about communication. And every modern design tool traces its roots. Typography is everywhere. It shapes how we read, how we feel, and how we navigate the world. And the Industrial Revolution didn't just change industry, it changed the very letters we see. When we understand where type came from, we design with more intention, more power, and more connection to the history that brought us here. Okay, so that's all for today, class. And again, I hope that you've learned something from this lesson. That's all for today, class. Goodbye.